Hello, my friends. Today I have brought 7 reasons why people fail. There are many reasons for failure of a person, but these 7 you will resonate. Most people resonate with these 7. Now, the number 1 is they don't know where to start. Even if they have clarity of their goals, they are not sure where to start from. And suppose they start from somewhere, the second reason is that they are not able to finish it. That means they are not consistent in taking action. They start with great enthusiasm but are not able to finish it. I want you to be a finisher. The third reason why people fail is I don't have money. I don't have resources. There are many people who say this. From where will I get the money? Or my family does not support me. I don't have any client or customer. How will I start it? Or these things keep coming into mind. Remember, if you have clarity of your goals and where you want to move ahead, universe will take care of everything. I was also in that state where I always used to say, I don't have money or my family does not understand me what I am doing. But today I'm able to do what I want to do because universe has given me lots of opportunity to move ahead in terms of money and in terms of resources both. So don't think from where the money will come. Just have a clarity of your goal and move ahead with faith and surrender. The fourth reason why people fail is they are overwhelmed. They register in so many courses and they are not able to finish it in time or they are not able to follow it. The fifth reason follows the fourth one. It is that you don't follow a single system. Because you have enrolled in so many courses, you are not able to follow one single system because everybody's system is different. And when you try to take from everyone, you will not be able to move ahead. You will fall into shiny objects that is there in the internet, but you will not be able to move consistently towards your goal. So that was the fifth reason you are not following a single system. Sixth reason is not daring to dream big. Suppose you think that you have the capacity of earning only 20,000, you will never think that you can earn 1 lakh or 2 lakhs per month. Why? Because you are giving too much logic to that thing. So you don't dream big. You are always stuck in your life and you are not able to move ahead. Dream big. And seventh reason is people don't take consistent actions. Take actions. Move ahead. Dream big. Take continuous actions and you will achieve what you want to achieve in your life. These 7 points have come from people who have struggled in their life and now doing very well in their life. So if you want to achieve success in life, if you don't want to fail, follow these 7 steps or whichever resonates with you and you will be reaching where you want to reach in your life. You will be able to create your destiny. Follow for more. In the next video, I am going to tell you how you will have clarity in your goal, which is the first step to move ahead in your life. Thank you for watching.